Hello and welcome everyone to the post-market analysis and market view for tomorrow, 17 Jan 2023. So Nifty is closed down today about 61 point at 17,894, and Sensex is down about 168 point at 60,092. So downtrend on the market today. Yesterday it was up, and today again it went down after the flatter opening. Market was open on a flatter side, and from the flatter market it came down and closed about 61 point Nifty down today. So without further ado, let's start the video. This is the Nifty chart. Okay, as we discussed in the previous video, market is in this range only on this triangle pattern. So what has happened over here? Yesterday it has given you a positive candle with the higher high close, and after that today, after a flatter opening on the Nifty, it went up, broken the trend line, upper trend line or upper triangle. Okay, and from that level again it got corrected. So overall still market is in this range only. First Feb we are in the budget. Okay, so before that there is a sideways type of a market right now. Market is waiting for the budget to come. So market एकदम typical sideways हो गया. It is forming in the triangle pattern and it is not moving beyond that and not falling beyond that. Okay, so यही रेंज में मार्केट घूम रहा है कि लेवल अप कर रहा है, मार्केट ट्राई कर रहा है ऊपर की तरफ ब्रेक करने का, वापस नीचे आ रहा है, नीचे की तरफ ब्रेक करने की ट्राई कर रहा है, वापस ऊपर चला जा रहा है. So all in all it is moving in this range only. तो तब तक स्विंग के लिए मार्केट नहीं है. जब तक मार्केट में ये ब्रेकआउट नहीं होगा तब तक स्विंग के लिए मार्केट यहाँ पे नहीं आएगा. तो जैसे ही मार्केट यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट हो जाएगा, then you can look after for the swing opportunity. Till that time you can look after for the intraday opportunity more. So अगर मैं 5 मिनट का चार्ट देखता हूँ, so if I'll just check this 5-minute chart over here, so market after a gap up opening, itna gap up tha, after that it went up, and from that it got corrected over here. You can see over here, after from yesterday's close 17,000 about closing was around 17,950. वहां से आज open हुआ, that was around 17,957. flatter opening था, वहां से first positive candle 5 minute की बनी, and after that it came down again after touching that triangle pattern top. जो triangle pattern का upper line है वही line को touch करके वापस market नीचे आ गया. So that is the main reason intraday में short opportunity was developed around here at 17,973 spot, and after that it went down. So overall intraday का market था, as I discuss always, और last का previous about 2-3 videos अगर देखेंगे, so you can see कि 4 से 5 50 point, you can say 40 to 50 points का ही movement मिल रहा है on the market, on the Nifty. So very short term intraday market है, सुबह लिया शाम को exit कर दिया, simple is that. Now let's see the bank Nifty over here. Bank Nifty भी same behave कर रहा है. It is on the triangle. अगर मैं इसका daily chart खोल लेता हूँ, 1 day chart, that is daily chart, यही triangle pattern में है. So it is moving from that triangle pattern, और ये typical sideways है, as I discussed earlier. ये red candle green है, red है, green है, एक दिन positive बंद हो रहा है, एक दिन negative बंद हो रहा है. That means bulls and bear are continuously fighting on the trend. So उनके झगड़े के बीच में we are a retailer, हमको नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए. So stay away from the market for the swing. For the intraday we can do it. We need to check the opportunity, then accordingly we can decide it. Right now on the previous day you can't decide कि market का trend क्या है overall, because it is moving on the sideways range right now. जब तक ये रेंज ब्रेक नहीं करेगा टिपिकल आपको एक ट्रेंड नहीं मिलेगा. सो ट्रेंड फाइंड करने के लिए इंट्राडे टाइप का मार्केट है, नोवेस्ट ट्रेडर हो तो इग्नोर करो इंडेक्स को, डू नॉट ट्रेड इंडेक्स फॉर टाइम बिंग. इफ यू आर अ प्रोफेशनल ट्रेडर, आपको इंडिकेटर समझ में आता है, ऑसिलेटर समझ में आता है, एंड यू आर फाइंडिंग अ अपॉर्चुनिटी और कंफर्मेशन फाइंड होता है, देन यू कैन गो अहेड विद द लॉन्ग और अ शॉर्ट ऑन द मार्केट. The stocks which I have given to you yesterday, there are about 4 or 5 stocks which I have given to you. Okay, on 10th of on 14th of Jan. Okay, so if you can just check over here. So this is the stocks which I have given to you: Gland Pharma, KFintech, NMDC, Eicher Motor, and Anand Rathi, which was given to you on Friday, and today is 16 Jan. Okay, so I'll just change the date. So 16 Jan, ये stock हम कब trade करेंगे? We'll trade it on the 17 Jan, not 16 Jan. So stock which I have given to you on Friday, out of this, you can see over here, 2 trades were not executed today. इसमें एंट्री नहीं बनी. जो मैंने बोला था कि 15 मिनट की फर्स्ट कैंडल पॉजिटिव बनेगी या 15 मिनट की आइशर मोटर में कैंडल पॉजिटिव बनेगी, वो दोनों में पॉजिटिव आज कैंडल नहीं बनी. So trade were not executed. Out of 5 trades, 3 trades were executed today. One is Gland Pharma, which we are continuously trading on a shorter side. So again, it has given me a profit today. KFintech, छोटा सा loss में hit हुआ, and Anand Rathi, which was have given you long, which has given you a small loss over here. I maintain a trade lock for you for this YouTube videos. So let's see over here. This trade has been executed today on 16 Jan. Anand Rathi सुबह long आया था at around 795.95. Stop loss was way down at 779, which was trailing at 792, and it was triggered at 792, and it has given me a small loss of 462 rupees against the risk of 2000 rupees. और अगर मैंने 20,000 का risk लिया होता, so it has given me a loss of 4,621. So it's a small loss for me. Then the Gland Pharma, which I have given to you a decent move, 1449 के आसपास से वो short develop हुआ on a 15-minute candle. So it is the trailing stop loss was at 1,444, and it got triggered, and it has given me a 741 rupees small profit. और 400 रुपए का loss मुझे आज KFintech में हुआ, which is given me an entry at 930 at around 335.50. Stop loss was at 338, and we are trailing our stop loss at 336, and it got triggered as per the PSAR point, and it has given me a loss of 400 on the risk of 2,000, and on the risk of 20,000 it has given me a loss of 4,000. All in all, when we have started this YouTube video from 9th of Jan, if we can just check over here, from 9th of Jan, it has given me a profit of, you can just see over here, 28,919.85. With the risk of, on the future, it is risk of 5,000 rupees a trade. On the stocks, the risk of is around 2,000 rupees. अगर यही चीज अगर मैं 50,000 का रिस्क लेता, अगर if you are a ultra HNI customer और 50,000 रुपए का रिस्क लेते, in case of Nifty and Bank Nifty or any other future, then, or if you are taking 20,000 risk on the stock, you can able to make around 2,89,198. Okay, on a capital of, you can say about 20 lakhs. Okay, और यहाँ पे intraday में you have made it about 50-60,000 each trade का capital requirement है, and you can able to made about 29,000 out of it. So this is the beauty of the risk management. कुछ trade positive जाएंगे, कुछ trade negative जाएंगे. As soon as अगर small loss है, तब तक कोई problem नहीं है market में. But big loss is the biggest crime on the market. Market में कभी भी आपको बड़ा loss नहीं होता है. Immediately अगर आपका decision wrong है, just get out from the trade. Do not hold your position until के market turn around होगा या expectation के market यहाँ से घूमेगा. Don't wait for it. You can again take a re-entry on that. No one is stopping you from that. So this is the beauty. अगर आज मैं all in all calculate करूँगा, so end up in a 121 rupees का loss मैंने book today's trade at the risk of 2,000 rupees. So एक trade जो मेरा positive गया, it has given me 700. Other than that, छोटा सा small loss में I was out from the market. So 3 stocks has been traded. Nifty and Bank Nifty, we are not trading, but during our live trading days or during our live trading room, we are trading it live with the actual live trade on the market. So post market mein, there is no view for the swing trade or no positional view for the future trades. So now what to trade tomorrow? Let's see over here. So I have found out 3 stocks for you for tomorrow for 17 Jan 23. One is Gland Pharma, continuation same, short ban raha hai. Let's see over here Gland Pharma chart. Okay, you can just check the 15-minute candle, guys, which I have given to you. Gland Pharma at the end, after I have booked my, it has triggered my trailing stop loss. It went down again at 1,444.60. The closing price is 1,442.85 approx, and it has given me a close below 61.8%. 0.61 is the level, that is 61.8% level. So I'm expecting a target of about 1,364 on Gland Pharma. So this is the last time I can look after for the short opportunity tomorrow again on Gland Pharma. So Gland Pharma is the one you can look for the short. The second stock is Nykaa, FSN e-commerce, that is Nykaa, which you can look for the short opportunity because it has broke all-time high, all-time low with the volume. If you just check the Nykaa IPO, which has came recently, okay, let me just search the name called FSN e-commerce, FSN e-commerce, that is Nykaa fashion. So it is going down over here. This is the daily chart. You can see over here, Nykaa is closing almost about all-time low. So I'm expecting a fall more on the Nykaa. अगर मैं FIB extension का इसमें target लेता हूँ, so you can see over here, यहाँ से यहाँ, I'm expecting tomorrow about 137 to 122 is my target for Nykaa. So overall downtrend में अगर आप continuation daily chart देखोगे तो rally ले रहा है, base बना रहा है, rally ले रहा है, base बना रहा है, downside के flags बन रहे हैं. If you can just check over here, कि ये मैं flag अगर draw करता हूँ, so it is forming a flag. ये flag बना एक, ये flag बना अभी recent में दो. Okay, now this is the second one. उससे पहले भी एक ये बड़ा flag है. So तीन flag continuation में है और ये नीचे lower low close हो रहा है. That means it's a sign of short. Yesterday it came down with the volume, so वो support किया आज. So still more short left on the Nykaa fashion. So look for the short opportunity tomorrow on Nykaa fashion. Then we can look for the long opportunity. I always give us stocks with the mix. Some stocks I give short, some stocks I'll give long. So automatically market का trend आपका risk management के हिसाब से वो set हो जाता है. So high tech pipe I can look for the long opportunity. So if you can just check high tech pipes. So sorry. This is high tech pipe giving all time close, all time high close you can say, और यहाँ पे bigger volume के साथ आज बढ़ा है. If you can just check over here, the volume का जो candle देखो, अचानक से इतने lower volume से आज बड़े volume के साथ वो चढ़ा है, and it is almost giving me all time high close. All time high के ऊपर close दे रहा है. That means tomorrow I can look for the long with the 15-minute chart. 15 मिनट की candle देखनी है आपको. अगर 15 मिनट की candle, first candle अगर positive close होती है, like today, कि आज ये positive candle close हुई, so I can immediately look for the long with the low stop loss, and I can trail my stop loss according to the 5-minute PACR points. So this is the stock number 3. You can look for the long. अगर 15 मिनट की green candle बनती है, then you can look for the long opportunity on high tech. Okay, high tech pipe is the full name of this stock. So these are the 3 stocks which you can look for the opportunity tomorrow. Gland Pharma and Nykaa for the short, and high tech pipe you can look for the long. Okay, so thank you so much everybody. I'll be seeing you next time again. Okay, and these are the stocks which you can look for the opportunity tomorrow. And if you like our video, please do tap on the like button, subscribe button, and if you like the video, you can share with your friends and family. If you haven't seen my previous video, then you can just go to YouTube and search for Stocksbox channel, and you will find my videos which I've given you a view. मार्केट में आपको लास्ट फ्राइडे से बता रहा हूं कि आफ्टर मंडे की जो रैली थी उसके बाद एक ट्रायंगल के अंदर वो मार्केट अटक गया है. तो जब तक वो ट्रायंगल का ब्रेकआउट नहीं होगा तब तक नया ट्रेंड डेवलप नहीं होगा. मार्केट इज इन द प्री बजट, यू कैन से प्री बजट के साइडवेज टाइप ऑफ अ मार्केट चल रहा है. First Feb there will be a budget session, so after that major move will come over here, or either once the triangle pattern will broke, accordingly we can decide कि बजट अच्छा आएगा या बुरा आएगा. ओवरऑल चार्ट आपको ऑटोमेटिकली बता देगा कि बजट अच्छा आएगा या बुरा आएगा. वी ऑलवेज चेक इन द पोस्ट मार्केट सेशन में मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि हाउ द ट्रेंड इज गोइंग टू वर्क और कैसे न्यूज ऑटोमेटिकली चार्ट पे डिस्काउंट हो जाता है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू सी दिस इन द you can say on a further video. So thank you so much everybody. Have a nice day. Happy trading, and I'll be seeing you again tomorrow. Do like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.